Hello, I'm Geoff Mearns. I have the privilege of serving as the president of Ball State University. Last week, I announced a series of aggressive measures to mitigate the spread of the novel coronavirus. One of these steps was to cancel in-person classes for the remainder of the spring semester. And on Monday, I decided that we must close our residence halls by March 29th. Our fundamental mission is to provide exceptional educational experiences for all of our students. But our paramount responsibility is to protect the health and safety of every member of our university community, our students, our faculty and staff, and our campus visitors. And one of our enduring values is social responsibility. That is, we commit to act for the benefit of society at large, and so we are obligated to take aggressive measures in concert with institutions and organizations all across the country to slow the inevitable spread of this virus so that our healthcare system maintains the capacity to treat the most severe and critical cases. If we do so, we will play a role in reducing the lethality of this deadly disease. But if we don't act, I am concerned that this virus will kill more people. Our actions have been dictated by this sobering reality, and all of our decisions have been informed by guidance from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, as well as the expert advice provided by state and local public health professionals. Given the unprecedented nature of this challenge, we have also had to rely on our best judgment. While I'm confident that our aggressive plan is necessary, I am certainly aware that my decisions are causing significant disruption. And I know that we have not yet been able to answer all of your questions. I am particularly aware of the impact that this crisis and my decisions are having on our students. I can appreciate that this disappointment is especially pronounced for our students who plan to graduate in May. We are committed to doing all that we can to ensure that these students will complete their courses this semester and that they will graduate on time. But I know that these students are anxious. I know that they are disappointed that we have already canceled most of the year-end celebrations and recognition events. And I know that they fear that we may have to cancel our May commencement exercises. I can fully appreciate their predicament because my twins, Geoffrey and Molly, they are college seniors as well, and they are sad that their college experience is ending prematurely and so abruptly. In short, I understand that we are facing an unprecedented challenge that is requiring us to make difficult decisions and for you to make real sacrifices. It's quite likely that this challenge will become even more difficult in the coming days and weeks. It will become more difficult before it gets better, and it will get better. I am confident of that. I am also confident that our campus community, our students, our faculty, and our staff, that together they have the capacity to overcome this challenge. In just one short week, I have heard many examples of innovation and collaboration. Students have worked creatively with their professors to continue their learning. For example, in Professor Melinda Messinio's sociology capstone course, her students have decided to use the next 6 weeks as a joint study of their experiences and the experiences of their classmates. In one of Professor Tim Berg's honors courses, his students have created an online chat room to continue discussing their material. And they have quickly found that the virtual format for a discussion actually has some advantages. Professor Ray Peterson is offering extra credit to our students who are volunteering on behalf of community organizations that rely on older volunteers who now need to quarantine. Students in our theater and dance programs adapted by putting on a single show of their last productions. The small audience included only their faculty, a few administrators, and one guest for each student performer. Bill Jenkins said, "Our students were simply marvelous, and they created events that I will never forget." You know, as I often say, Ball State students don't have a sense of entitlement. Our students have a sense of purpose, and they also know how to have fun, virtually that is. Last night, freshman Christian Dixie appeared on television during Wheel of Fortune's College Week, and our students in CCIM held a virtual watch party on Facebook Live. Our staff have also embraced this challenge with unwavering dedication. Our colleagues in marketing and communications created a new website, which they update regularly with new information as this dynamic situation changes so rapidly. Our colleagues in the Division of Online and Strategic Learning have responded quickly and effectively to support faculty for online learning. Our colleagues in the Writing Center are now offering online appointments, while the publication editors are giving our students access to new software so they can produce their publications from off-campus locations. Our colleagues in Dining Services have created new take-home options for Burris students who need food while their classes are being conducted online. And our colleagues in WIPB have offered to provide pre-recorded educational programs to local school districts that want to supplement their e-learning courses. I am so very impressed and I am so very proud of how our university community has responded to this challenge. But I'm not surprised. This extraordinary response reaffirms what I have come to know about the character and commitment of our faculty and our staff. Simply put, they are consistently willing to adjust and adapt, to make selfless sacrifices to serve our students and our communities. In the last 2 or 3 weeks, several people have said to me, "I'm sorry this is happening to you." Well, I appreciate their concern for me, but it's not necessary. To the contrary, I'm quite fortunate. In fact, I'm very fortunate, particularly in these challenging times, to have the privilege to serve as the president of Ball State University. And it is with enduring gratitude that I ask each and every member of our university community to be safe, to be healthy, and to be good. Thank you very much.